On 24th July, I exited my position in this stock. Let us see. This is the monthly time frame. If you see in the monthly time frame, that is this is an uptrend and get good rejection in this trend line. And what happened after that? This is like a consolidation, right? After this consolidation is broken, it will fly like a rocket, basically. In all the stocks. But let us say in this case, and what happened after this breakout? This is clearly breakout, right? By observing this strong monthly close. Let us see this in weekly time frame. If we observe in this weekly time frame, this is a strong breakout week, right? But what happened after that? It is consolidated for so much of weeks of time. This is the reason that I didn't trade in this weekly breakout pattern. Sometimes the moves are humongous, like if it is break and strong closely, it will fly like a rocket like this, but sometimes it will consolidate. We never know when the consolidation is over, so that's why I prefer not to enter in the trades like this. And what happened is it will consolidate and form the pattern right here. And let us see this in daily. This is the pattern, right? And after the pattern breakout, it moved, right? And I didn't enter it here. I enter it here. Let me tell you the reason. After the breakout is happened, it nicely consolidated and moved up and consolidated and moved up. I think that this consolidation is over by this breakout, and the breakout is happened and the wick is also covered. I think this will move like a rocket now. That is the reason that I entered, but this is very bad entry. If I enter here, where would I put my stop loss? It must be below this trend line, right? This is huge. This is the mistake that I made in this trade. And what happened after that? It slowly moved up. While moving up, it formed the pattern and suppose the trend line, right? Consolidate mode, consolidation mode. I want to exit this trade after the breakout of this trend line. That is what happened after it moved, consolidate and retouched this trend line and moved up. But this time it is gone up. But did you see the selling pressure at the top? This itself indicating this is going to go down. And but the important thing is the breakout is not so strong, right? It is slowly break out. I didn't exit at here after the breakout because what happened is the trend is in bullish trend, but for some time it may consolidate like this, right? So after the breakout it may consolidate like this or it will fall down. What I am thinking at this time is, okay, I will wait in this trade if it is consolidate like this, but if it is break like this, I want to exit. That is what happened. It is break down, and I draw the support line by using 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is taking support here, here. So I waited, and this day what happened is it break down and closes strongly. It is a little bit of retrace, but it is not the reversal, right? And I want to exit at this day, but this day I am very busy. I failed to exit, and what happened after that? After that, it fell, and after the next day, it has fallen and closed strongly. And I exited at this day. And this buying pressure also like a retrace, I guess. And I would be exited here if I see this, but I exited here due to my laziness. It cost me another 2%. And the key takeaway from this trade is you must be very active every day. This My laziness cost 2% here. And where did I enter? I entered here and I exited here. It is nearly cost to cost. But the charges are applied. I am in loss. And what happened after that day? It is gap down, right? Almost 5%. If I didn't exit it here, I FOMO. If I FOMO, that it will go up and I wait. Today I am in loss. So that is why don't FOMO. And as I exited here. And the very important thing is to move from this to here, it take almost 30 days, right? In 30 days only 7%. This is why this is the another reason that I didn't trade in large cap stocks. In order to move the large cap stocks, it is very hard. So I don't want to invest my time in the large cap stock. If I invest the same time in the mid cap stock or small cap stock, the views are huge. So that's why for the next time onwards, I didn't want to trade in large cap stocks. And the another important lesson is the volume of the candles are also decreasing. And let us see in weekly complete selling pressure at the top. Today it is capped down. This is it.